Breathe and let the storm within you settle. The world may shout of anger, division, and fear. Yet beneath the noise, the quiet truth waits. It whispers, we are not strangers, we are kin. Think of the river that knows no border, the wind that bends across every field, the sky that covers believer and doubter alike. Here in the shared breath, we are joined. Remember the lessons of history's shadow. When fear ruled, cruelty rose. When neighbors ceased to listen, walls were built. When compassion was forgotten, evil found a throne. Tyrants have climbed to power on silence and scorn. But the people who choose kindness cannot be broken. Let us not walk that road again. Instead, let kindness be your revolution. Greet each soul as if their burden were your own. For whatever is withheld from the least among us is withheld from the whole of humanity. The measure of a nation is in its mercy, and mercy blossoms only where hearts are open. Set down your anger, child of the earth. It does not serve you, nor the world you long for. Anger blinds the eyes to the common heart, but stillness restores your sight. Be still and know yourself as love. Be still and return to the quiet dignity within. Let freedom be the garden we tend together. Not freedom to conquer, but freedom to be. Christian, Muslim, Buddhist, Jew, agnostic, atheist, or none at all. The soil is the richest when it's sown with many seeds. The harvest is the sweetest when no voice is silenced. Listen with the patience of the trees, who do not hurry the wind to answer. Listen, and the voice of your brother will soften. Listen, and the cry of your sister will ease. Listening is the path to peace. Listening is the bridge across every wound. Now breathe again and carry this truth. We are not enemies, but companions. We are not divided, but intertwined. The strength of democracy is not in anger, but in our choice to live as one. Hold fast to compassion. Guard the memory of history. Choose the calm of the mindful heart. In unity, in kindness, in freedom, we have all that we need to endure. We have more in common than we have apart. Be nice, be kind, and be the greatest expression of you.